I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, that is the cutest little hair product I've ever seen. Do not let that fool you and detract from the fact that this is an absolute hair powerhouse. Gentlemen, it's putty, only a smaller size. You're like, yo, why? Well, the reason is because we know that some of you are not ready to pull the trigger on a regular size putty. The Pete and Pedro putty is our #1 best-selling hair product, and the reason is because it is so incredibly versatile. But we knew that we were missing out on a lot of guys actually trying it, because we know that once you do, you're going to be absolutely hooked and your hair is going to love it. And so we decided to actually create a smaller version for you guys that are a little bit more on the hair product fence. Guys, hit the link down below up there, wherever it is, to go grab a travel size putty, all right? It's actually not like a sample, because samples are like really small, and this you actually get a lot. Now the cool thing, guys, about putty, it's putty, and so you got to remember the key to this product being amazing and awesome is emulsification, all right? Put it in your hand and just heat it up, right? And when you do that, the product actually vanishes, all right? And just work it in. Guys, we know you're gonna love it. And when you do, then you can grab a regular size or move up to the XL. Guys, putty is our #1 best-selling hair product. You guys are gonna love it, but now you got no excuse not to try it. Mini Putty's here, but don't be fooled by its cuteness.